This is Paul Wett with WettTraderLLC.com, and I believe everyone should be able to make extra money trading with a software that's user-friendly and easy to use. So today, for the Midweek Report, week ending September 9, 2016, I'm going to share the progress of the nice symmetrical triangle they had mentioned in the forecast for this week. Also, I will show you a little trick that I learned that makes sure that it's a symmetrical triangle, and also to make sure you don't get stuck in a false or breakout. Make sense? Okay, let's proceed. So as I was talking to you about this triangle that we had mentioned earlier on the Wett Trader, I had drew something like this, correct? Now, that's a 240. I'm going to bring it down to the 60 minutes just so it's a little clearer for you folks. Because truly, this is something that you're going to want to remember. Here's the same thing that I drew on the forecast. Symmetrical triangle. So what's wrong with this picture, folks? What's wrong with this picture? I'll show you what's wrong with this picture. Here would be like a false breakout and we came through the triangle, but why is this not a symmetrical triangle? I'll show you why, folks. If I take the high here at 83.75 and I take the high here at 82 and a quarter, that's a buck 1.5 difference between these two highs. To be symmetrical, I need 1.5 difference from this low. So 2171 plus 125, I would need this low to be closer to 73. Make sense? So what happened? Look at this. Not only did we make the low at 73 and a quarter, and I'm going to show you some of these other, let me remove these lines, and I'm going to show you what makes a little bit more sense, folks. I'll pull these lines all the way out for you. Symmetrical triangle means that the market's winding up for a big move. Now, if we take the high once again at 83.75, we're at 82.75, that's a point. We're here at 71.75 plus a point, 72.75. Word difference. Word difference, a 0.5. So this is a little better. So now we have our breakout. We come back for a retest. And I still think we're going to be off to the races on this triangle. Now, obviously now, it makes a little bit more sense, doesn't it? So we draw the line. We're going to use this high because this high happened first. It's got to go high, low, high, low. Now, obviously, this is a different time frame. But, folks, I'm telling you, this stuff works. The key here, obviously, some markets will break out and retest. They always will. Most of them will, excuse me. Sometimes they break out and they keep going. Now, what I'm seeing here is that we only held one close once we broke this out, one close below. Now we're back above it. I still think we have a nice objective here. We still have 83.75, 71.75. That's 12 points. Add 12 points to your breakout here. And that's going to be what? 94. So I'm anticipating a run at least up here, folks. Now let's see if I'm correct. We still have a little time. Obviously, if we run out to the apex here and we don't meet our objective. But folks, a lot of these numbers are making sense and lining up with the other numbers. We have a weekly 90, 92. We have a monthly where we hit our PP 64, 66. 91 here as well. This is a possibility of a breakout week, folks. Now we could hit this number, hit that 92, 93, come all the way back down and come down to 41. I'm telling you, the market's winding up, and we'll see what's going on here. We still are looking for our time. We do have a high here, and we did confirm by breaking the low, but now this low here came back up and closed higher. Now on the daily, we have our lows lined up here, and now we're going to have to pound out a new high. Now, in order to confirm this new high, that it's a high, we need time. It's a price and time formula, folks. And we need confirmation. So, with this software, point and click, I still feel that we have an opportunity here to hit this objective on this triangle. We retested. We're looking for at least 94 area, 12 points from that breakout at 82. I think the NASDAQ is going to already be at life of contract highs or really close to it. And I think the S&P will follow shortly. So, technically you have two choices, folks. If you want to make some extra money, if you want to learn about chart patterns, and if you want to learn how to make money with chart patterns in your spare time, try the demo. www.wetttraderllc.com. It costs nothing. www.wetttraderllc.com.